Aditya, before the girls come on stage, कैसे बने आप हिस्सा ये सीरीज आपके पास चल गया? This is your debut on web.
Yes, that's true. Actually, Tanveer had approached me for this, and he had narrated the entire script to us, the story to us, और हम पागल हो गए थे. मैंने कहा यार ये this is something that you have to do, and it's a character I have never played, and honestly I like this character more than I like myself. वो intensity, that anger and all that suits me more is what I feel.
नहीं, what was one of the reason कि दोनों लड़कियों को रोमांस करने का मौका मिल रहा है स्क्रीन पे?
उनको मौका मिला मुझे रोमांस करने. Sorry, joking.
And you were so excited कि जब गाना गा रहे थे मुझे लगा आप ही स्टेज पे आके एक दो लाइन गा. Do you want to sing some song? You want to sing?
I can't sing to save my life, but I'm very emotionally attached to the show in general.
Yeah.
You know, because we've spent a lot of time making it, and a lot of heart and energy has gone into this. So every song, every word hits me to the heart. So that's why I was very emotional about it. I love all the songs, guys. You guys are fabulous. I listen to it as soon as I wake up, till I sleep.
So when you see the trailer for the first time, ऐसा लगता है कि अपनी बेबी को जन्म देते हुए देख रहे हैं आप?
Oh God, we've pushed hard for this baby.
What about you, Anushka? आप कैसे इस हिस्सा बने इस सीरीज का?
So, as Aditya was mentioning, Tanveer had narrated this script to Aditya and me together, actually for the first time. And we looked at each other and we were like, this is so fun. This is something so interesting, so amazing. And we would definitely love to be a part of it. And luckily, it happened. It all worked out for me and Tarini, sorry, Crystal and Aditya. And this show is something very special to us. We worked really, really hard, and everyone has been so personally invested. So it's not that, you know, actor hai to acting karke ghar chale gaye, we didn't care aage piche kya ho raha hai. And everybody was the same way. Even whoever it may be, hair, makeup, production, direction, costumes, everybody was so personally involved in the show. So I think that's why, जैसे आप बोल रहे, baby actually हमारा baby है. हमारा baby finally ready है निकलने के लिए दुनिया में, and we're very, very excited.
Do you have friends like this जिसके लिए मतलब आप अपने लवर को छोड़ देंगे, ऐसा कुछ है आपकी जिंदगी में? कभी हुआ है? बचपन में, कॉलेज वॉलेज में तो हुआ होगा. एक लड़कियों को दो
छोड़ दे.
खुशी.
हाँ.
Friends stay for life, boys come and go.
ओह. आदित्य, आपके साथ हुआ है कभी? आपने कभी किसी लड़की को छोड़ दिया कॉलेज में दोस्त के लिए?
मैंने एक्चुअली वो फिल्म देखी थी प्यार का पंचनामा.
अच्छा.
उसके बाद मैंने छोड़ दिया. To be very honest.
सर, दिस इज द वेब डिजिटल कंटेंट. अगर आप प्रोड्यूसर हैं तो जब पिक्चर रिलीज होती है, यू हैव द बॉक्स ऑफिस टू टेक केयर कि हाँ इतना कलेक्शन ऑफ पब्लिक इज लाइकिंग. आप क्या सोच के यू पुट इन एंड इन्वेस्टेड सो मच इन दिस शो?
So there is a little bit of a story behind this. This is actually a script that was going to be a movie at one point. It was a movie that was going to be made. It was written a while back. Lekin what, as time evolved, the movie had its share of, it had a journey of its own. And as time sort of evolved, we felt it was better suited to do, to do as a series. So we've expanded it. I feel it's a beautiful love story. It has a real lot of interesting emotions. It's a girl's journey to find herself. All these are very relevant today, especially in the world we live in. So I think it was very nice to put something like this out there. And ये जो narration की बात करें, I want to give one more little tidbit on this. I have been lucky, extremely lucky. All three of them here were my first choice for this part.
Wow, that's wonderful, yeah.
So before that narration, I was very nervous because if they said no, I didn't know what I was going to do. So thankfully, I mean, it all worked out well.
You gave us something really solid. We couldn't say no.
Yes, that was the endeavor. So here we are, and I think it's out there. I think people will like it. It's relevant. You can identify with it. I think a lot of people will be able to see what we've done and the mehnat we've put in. So there's
Wonderful.
that.
All the best. Narrate किया कि बारी-बारी अलग-अलग जाके सर?
अलग-अलग.
और Anushka heard it together.
अच्छा.
Crystal heard it Alexei, and Sandy heard it Alexei.
So then how do you bring this conviction to narrate all the time with same emotion, passion and everything?
Dan is fab at narrating.
Acha.
If
Yeah.
you hear him say a story, you'll be sold in 10 seconds. You
Wow.
won't even know if it's a lie or it's truth. Like, he's so good. Like, he can convince you for anything. And the way he narrated the script, we're like, you should just do it. Like, you should act, you should direct, you should do everything. You were so good the way you explained what the script was. Like, he's that good.
He's blushing right now.
But I still got a director.
Wonderful.
And a great one at that.
And actors.
Of course.
इतनी बड़ी साकास्ट है संतोष जी, कितना मुश्किल होता है सबको एक साथ लेकर चलना एज ए डायरेक्टर?
बिल्कुल मुश्किल नहीं था. I mean they are like so good to work with. Like they have gone out of the way to like make everything happen. Like everyone involved in this show, they've got out of the way and like make things done. Like so, I was very lucky to have a producer and the actors, everyone involved, Sandman and all the people like involved in this show. Kittu ji, Kezat sir, everyone sitting here, Malika, Bunty, like everyone has gone out of the way like and accommodated us to like get this done. Like we are still pushing. Like आधा हो गया, अभी 8 दिन
I told
बाकी
you
है.
it's a baby
Yeah.
that we are pushing a
Yeah,
lot
we're still
for.
pushing it.
No, no, definitely this baby everybody is going to love like
I
Taimur
want to know if
on
everyone here
18th.
liked it. आप लोग ने तो
Yeah.
देख लिया है अभी, बाद में की बात देखेंगे. Did everyone here enjoy the trailer, the songs? Yes? Is that a yes?
Anush, I think you have to say woohoo for them.
Woo, I can't.
Please do it, do it.
क्यों? This is your secret. आप अच्छे से बोलती है वो वूहू.
Please, please.
बहुत ही
please,
खराब बोलती
निकलता
है,
ही
बहुत ही
नहीं।
खराब.
I have a very heavy voice, so I can't go that
Let's
high.
try, let's try.
Let's
फितरत
try.
के लिए जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए.
Okay, guys. 1, 2, 3.
एक और बार.
She means woohoo!
नहीं लेकिन आई एम श्योर ये सेट पे हुआ होगा एक दो बार, इसके लिए यू नो ये नहीं हो पा रहा कि क्या
कि
है.
अभी हम लोग एक्चुअली साथ में कहीं ट्रैवल कर रहे थे तो वहां
अच्छा.
पर जब भी मेरा मूड ऑफ करने का आधे रास्ते आवाज फट गए, they would look at me like what was that sound? I said I'm trying to say woo hoo and it doesn't come out.
नहीं बीच में आजकल क्या पेट्रोल बहुत महंगा हो गया, कहीं खत्म हो जाता होगा तो आता नहीं
खराब हो
होगा.
गई.
लेकिन क्रिस्टल एंड आई हैव वन थिंग इन कॉमन. द पार्लर शी विजिट्स, मैं भी वही पार्लर में जाता हूं. इट्स यूनिसेक्स बिफोर यू गेट एनीथिंग रॉन्ग.
I was just wondering.
नो नो इट्स यूनिसेक्स.
Why vaccine भी कराते हो?
नहीं कराना पड़ता है सर कभी कभी. यू ऑल्सो नो दिस. नहीं लेकिन ये बिकॉज व्हेन आई सी दिस, ये पोस्टर देख रहा हूँ, आई सॉ द सॉन्ग, सॉ द ट्रेलर.
That's when you went to my parlor.
नो नो नो. मैं आपको बताऊंगा कैसे पता चला वो. दैट्स अ लॉन्ग स्टोरी, विल टेल यू लेटर. लेकिन लड़कियों को होता है ना कि अच्छे कपड़े भी पहनने हैं. सो वाज दिस वन ऑफ द रीजन कि आपने हाँ बोल दिया इसमें अच्छे कपड़े भी पहनने मिल रहे हैं, अच्छा खूबसूरत ज्यादा दिखने को मौका मिल रहा है?
Honestly, I was just sold at the story and the script. It was so powerful कि कुछ और matter ही नहीं कर रहा था. Now all of this is a plus point. So getting good clothes and getting good everything else is a plus point.
बट डिड दैट
That wasn't my selling point.
जब आप सेट पे यू लाइक ओ अच्छा ये कपड़े पहनने, वाह वाह वाह.
Of course, I think Gina and Megha, both our stylists, did a fab job with us. We have looked amazing. We still are looking amazing.
This is all
thanks to
Megha.
all
Megha
Megha.
Tandon. Please, everyone, one round of applause for her. She's worked very hard.
So I think, you know, they really deserve, people behind the scenes deserve more appreciation than ever because none of this would be possible without them.
Absolutely. आपका भी what was, were you excited to wear like good
I
clothes?
honestly didn't know that it would be at this scale. Like when we heard it, it sounded, of course, modern hai. To
Even I didn't know.
Even we didn't know. We knew कि yeah, we'll be wearing good clothes, modern clothes, rich ladki, you know, whatever, the same typical thing. But when we have come on this set, we've seen the sets, we've seen the clothes, we've seen the production, everything. We are taken aback. Like we look at it and say, यार भाई बड़ा अच्छा shot निकला ये तो बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं हम सब. So literally that's our reaction as well. So I wouldn't say this was a selling point. I think this was a massive ass plus point.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी चलिए सब कौन कौन सा आप पूछना चाहते हैं? ठीक है चलो मैं आपसे लेता हूँ क्वेश्चन. सर इतनी बजट की बात चल रही है, आपको पसीने छूट रहे थे?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं. मतलब it looks like you can see it's, you know, it's done well, it's produced at a good scale, and I feel that there should be money spent because, you know, quality standards have been set. You're seeing a lot of shows, you know, across the world. I feel धीरे हम पहुंच जाएंगे वहाँ पर. So that's the endeavor.
आदित्य आपका मतलब मन में ये था कि ये लड़की के साथ मतलब एंड में हो क्या रहा है, हम थोड़ा अगर आप हिंट दें कि क्या हो रहा है. आदित्य कहाँ जा रहा है, विच डायरेक्शन में जाने वाला है,
मैं
एसवी रोड या लिंक रोड, कहाँ ट्रैफिक कम है?
मैं बिल्कुल नहीं बोल सकता.
अच्छा.
मेरे डायरेक्टर, मेरे प्रोड्यूसर मेरी बैंड बजा देंगे. It's not possible.
What was the highlight for you in the script? What was the highlight कि आपने क्यों हाँ कराई इसके लिए?
Well, like I said, the story was amazing. और जो मेरा कैरेक्टर है वीर, उसका जो ग्राफ है, जहाँ से शुरू होता है, कहाँ एंड होता है, it's really amazing. It's just brilliant.
सर आपसे जानना चाहेंगे तीनों में सबसे ज्यादा रीटेक्स कौन दे रहा था सर?
ये सब वन टेक है.
अच्छा.
मैं ज्यादा सबसे ज्यादा रीटेक मैं
Retakes,
लेता था.
retakes, we are-
You are not convinced कि अच्छा हो रहा है कि नहीं?
सबसे ज्यादा रीटेक मैं लेता था.
हाँ अच्छा.
We literally have clapped for ourselves.
हाँ, every
ये
scene.
लोग क्लैप करते थे, मैं बोलता था one more.
अच्छा. सर क्यों वन मोर क्यों? अगर इन लोग कॉन्फिडेंट हैं तो
पूरी कहानी जैसे तनवीर ने बताया बहुत ही परफॉर्मेंस ओरिएंटेड है. सो यू हैव टू लाइक रियली टिल यू आर सेटिस्फाइड कि परफॉर्मेंसेस अगर आपको नहीं मिली हैं, यू हैव टू कीप गोइंग. लाइक तनवीर भी कभी बोलता था यार कर ले यार, बोलता नहीं, जब तक नहीं मिलेगा वी कांट मूव फॉरवर्ड. एंड दैट वाज लाइक या इट इज लाइक.
सो सर कितने एपिसोड्स हैं ये?
ये 15 एपिसोड है.
Okay.
दे आर ऑल स्ट्रीमिंग टुगेदर ऑन द 18th of October.
Okay.
तो ये बहुत बिंज वर्दी शो है. आप अगर देखोगे यू विल वांट टू वॉच द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड. एवरी एपिसोड हैज अ वेरी नाइस हुक एट द एंड. तो आप जानना चाहोगे कि आगे कहानी क्या हो रही है, अगले एपिसोड में क्या हो रहा है. सो इट्स 15 episodes, one shot, binge watch.
All right. Aditya, do you want to tell us something about the character of yours इसमें?
Well, I can't reveal too much. वरना आपको थोड़ा story का graph मालूम पड़ जाएगा, so I don't want to do that. But he's a very, like he's a hustler. वो अपने जो भी उसने achieve किया, he's worked hard for it, and he's reached a certain point, and just things just go a little haywire when he's about to touch the finish line. Things just go haywire right there.
This is the new medium for all three of you. आप डेब्यू कर रहे हैं इसमें. So what is the one thing आप देखने वाले हैं कि लोगों का रिस्पॉन्स कैसे आ रहा है? How are you going to sit on 18th October? क्या चलने वाला है कि लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है, नहीं आ रहा है? What are they saying and all? One word from everybody. I want to know this.
I'm going to be extremely excited for it, but at the same time nervous because, we don't get numbers as such. But I'm sure online and digitally we'll get to know how people liked it, loved it, and I'm looking forward to that.
We have एक
Given me the mic. So basically, this is a show where actually was a film script that we had planned many years ago. I think you've spoken about it. So we've all grown up on the quintessential pretty girl moments, which are everyone has seen Pretty Woman, and you've always seen it like that's the way you grow up. You enter a shop, you can't buy the shoes, and then a Richard Gere comes and buys you the shoes. And then it's 2019, and you got to think a little ahead. So the story moves from a girl who can't buy the shoes to a rich guy who comes and buys the shoes. Then she realizes those shoes pinch because shoes bought by someone else will usually pinch. And the final journey of her buying her own shoes. So the show is the 4 stages that I think contemporary women should know, that it's time we be our own heroes. So it was time we told the story.
Absolutely. With this, I'm going to throw the mic to my media friends. आप कुछ सवाल पूछना चाहें तो अभी.
Hi, my name is Jigar. My question is to Crystal, Anushka, and Aditya. What is it that a web series lets you do that a film or a television show doesn't let you do?
I guess at least for me, when the films that I've done, there was not that kind of, you don't have that kind of leniency when you wanted to perform or certain things, language, etc. So I feel just with the whole OTT platform, you get a space where you can show more and actually get into the depth. यहाँ पे सेंसर्स चलते हैं फिल्मों में, तो वो थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है कभी-कभी कुछ स्टोरीज कहने में कि आप ऐसा नहीं दिखा सकते, ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते. तो I think in the web platform, that's a boon that you can say your story without being restricted to these little issues that अच्छा ये scene काटो, ऐसा मत बोलो, वैसा मत बोलो, then the whole certificate issues. So I personally think it's a beautiful platform and it's giving so many people chances to tell you stories that they otherwise couldn't, and maybe you'd feel कि यार ये conventionally इतनी अच्छी नहीं है फिल्म बनाने के लिए, या फिर कौन देखने आएगा इसको, तो उसमें आधी stories ना गुम हो जाती हैं. And there are beautiful stories which may not have commercial value, but it's worth listening, watching, knowing, and I feel that's what the beauty of this platform is, that we can now do that.
Crystal will be able to play this character?
I did thank Ekta for digital platform, but I thank her for everything in my life, basically, because I started my career because of ma'am, and I don't think I can. But you know, I started my career because of her, and she believed in me then, and again that same belief to enter a new platform. So I'm always thankful to her. And I did believe in myself, but this character is very different from me as a person and from everything that I've played. So I was really thankful that she could believe that I would do something very different. I know I could, but I didn't have a way to portray it, and I didn't have somebody that believed in me before her. So that's why a big thank you to her.
First of all, I'm going to kill you, Crystal, for calling me ma'am. You are my baby and you'll always be. But I have to say, yeah, mom is cool. So I have to say one thing. When we were working on this character, we wanted to do oddball casting. Oddball casting means it's a girl who has a lot of. It takes guts to say I want to marry money and say it so unabashedly and in a absolutely raw, unabashed fashion, to go out there and say that, hello, I'm a gold digger, I'm a very proud gold digger, man. I really want to marry a guy who has good money and I can't afford marriage with love and all that stuff. So, and Crystal is just the opposite. I mean, Crystal ko without love, I don't think Crystal is all about love. You know, she's as pure as her name. So I'm like, this is a character that is not impure, or I know one is impure, but she actually adopts her flaws and lives them out so unabashedly that it was a very different character from her real life character. But there's our very own Sandy, who is one of the best directors I think I've worked with. He's done Broken with me. And there's Tanveer, who is the most swag, the producer with all the swag.
आज दिख रहा नहीं है लेकिन है मतलब it's
But
there.
and then so I knew this is the current Crystal, and this is a Crystal who wants to actually break what people know her for. I mean, she's known to be a very sweet, pretty, and not a radical person at all. And I think she's done a fabulous job. I'm so happy that she's made her debut on the digital platform with me, because I really am. I'm so happy to show what she has done in this show to the world. You know, she's fantastic.
Thank you.
Crystal, Anushka और आदित्य सिल, your center. राहुल here from the फिल्मी चर्चा. मेरा सवाल सबसे पहले तो ट्रेलर बहुत ही अच्छा है. आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं इसके लिए. और फितरत का ट्रेलर लॉन्च हो चुका है और उसके बाद सबकी फितरत भी एक जैसी लग रही है. तो फितरत की बात कर लेते हैं हम लोग. आप तीनों एक एक करके जवाब देना कि आपके लाइफ में वो पहला मोमेंट कौन सा था जब आपको लगा होगा, आपने किसी को बोला होगा तुम्हारी फितरत कुछ ठीक नहीं लग रही है, या आपको किसी ने बोला हो कि तुम्हारी फितरत ठीक नहीं लग रही है मुझे.
क्रिस्टल आप शुरू करो आई थिंक.
झूठ मत बोलना क्रिस्टल.
देखो यहाँ तो बोल नहीं सकती.
बता दो हम लोग
लेकिन ऐसे मौके बहुत आए हैं लोगों के.
कुछ ऐसा मोमेंट जो बताने लायक हो आपको.
फिर मैं रहने लायक नहीं होंगी.
वहाँ नहीं बोल सकते कि फितरत खराब है, क्योंकि ठीक ठाक मोमेंट्स में ऐसा नहीं हुआ है, पर हाँ बहुत सारे मोमेंट्स हुए लाइफ में जहाँ पर आप किसी को मिलते हैं, आपके दोस्त हों.
I think last मैंने अनुष्का को ही बोला जब she just kept eating a lot of pizza and I told her तुम्हारी फितरत खराब है. But that's it. Only for food.
Yeah, and I feel कि मैंने I think किसी की काफी लोगों को बोला ही actually. But ये होता है जब अगर आपके कोई दोस्त हों and they have done something that is not correct according to your friendship and space. That is one time when I told someone कि इसकी फितरत ही खराब है, इसको क्या ही बोले.
आदित्य आप.
ऐसा इंसिडेंट है जो मैं बोल नहीं सकता, but I will say who I said this to. I said it to one of my school professors.
एकता जी आपसे ये सवाल था. आप हमेशा की तरह आज भी बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं आप.
Finally, somebody spoke about me as my own age.
एकता जी आपको कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि इतने स्टार कास्ट आर्टिस्ट ने कभी आपसे शिकायत किया हो कि इतने सज धज के हम लोग आते हैं और आप पूरे लाइमलाइट लेके चले जाते हो?
That's true. That's true.
It's not the clothes, it's the personality.
I have to. आपने आज मेरा डे बना दिया. Usually I'm told the other way कि आप इतना सज धज के आते हो और ये लोग ले जाते हैं center stage. But thank you. I have to just say one thing about these two, and since I've got a chance, I'll say that Anushka was when I saw her as a child, I had given her mum $100 and said कि आंटी मैं इसको एक दिन कहीं ना कहीं तो लॉन्च करूंगी प्लीज. उस वक्त आंटी बोला था बिकॉज उस वक्त भी मैं वाज अ यंग प्रोड्यूसर, यू नो, just saying. But when I saw her, I had said it, and finally digital debut with me.
Happiest.
As far as Aditya goes, I have this group of girls in office. And they all are here, and they never come with me for any press conference. They all are here because they all are like, they want an introduction with him. You're quite a dish, my friend.
I am blushing now.
But thank you.
Hi Ekta, this is me Nandini Roy from FIFA Foods News. I want to ask, you have made yourself your own hero. Has there been any time in your life that you wanted to buy something or you were feeling deprived of something and that very day you went in your room and you promised yourself that no Ekta, you have to do something. And today we are all here and we cheer you up for that. So tell me that experience.
All of us have had that moment where we wanted to buy something. We've all been conditioned. And this is actually a story of conditioning versus individuality. We all have been conditioned to believe that कोई राजकुमार आएगा और आपकी लाइफ को सुधार कर जाएगा. आज तक मुझे लोग पूछते हैं आप सेटल कब होंगी. मतलब मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है मेरे काम करने के बाद और कितना सेटल हो जाऊँ मैं. You know, so I think it's always considered that women will find someone to then sort themselves out. In my own personal life, there have been many instances where I was told that, you know, all this career now is okay, but you will have to eventually get married to find personal happiness. And I think I'm pretty happy myself because happiness cannot be decided by you. It has to be decided by me. And if I have to get something for myself, I have to be responsible, no third person. I can't give my remote to anyone else. So if I have to buy myself shoes or I have to buy myself clothes, I want to make a show, I have to be responsible. And it's time we tell our girls that. So I learned that in my life. And there's a line which is there in the show, which is that don't buy, somebody will not buy you gold. The gold is in you. एक दिन आपके अंदर इतना सोना होगा कि आपका रंग दूसरों पे चढ़ जाएगा.
Beautiful answer. Thank you.
Okay, Crystal, एकता जी आपके ठीक सामने and ठीक सामने. You know, एकता जी ट्रेलर बहुत ही awesome है and ट्रेलर से रिलेटेड ही सवाल है एंड आप जवाब दे देती है. रियल लाइफ से रिलेटेड बिल्कुल नहीं है कि पैसों के लिए आप किसे किसे छोड़ सकती हैं. लाइक ये सवाल क्रिस्टल जी आपसे भी है, अनुष्का एंड आदित्य जी. पैसों के लिए आप किसे छोड़ सकती हैं अपनी लाइफ में?
आउच. मैं पैसों के लिए किसी को नहीं छोड़ सकती, लेकिन मैं बहुत लोगों को जानती हूँ जिन्होंने बहुत लोगों को पैसे के लिए छोड़ा है. सो और बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो ये एडमिट करते हैं कि मुझे पैसे से शादी करनी है. बट पर्सनली आई एम नॉट दैट पर्सन. सो मैंने कभी किसी को पैसे के लिए नहीं छोड़ा है. इसलिए मैंने लाइफ में यही सीखा, पैसे कमाने तो खुद कमाएंगे और पैसों की ज़रूरत मेरे लिए, मेरा काम मेरा पैशन है. I don't really give money that much importance in life as much as I give achievement and self-worth. So मैं किसी को लाइफ में अपने पैसों के लिए नहीं छोड़ सकती हूँ.
क्रिस्टल जी?
For me also, I mean, I don't think money is a driving factor for me at all. For me, passion, work, friends, family, that's what matters. तो पैसों के लिए मैंने कभी किसी को छोड़ा नहीं है और कभी नहीं छोड़ूंगी. ना ही अच्छा काम छोड़ूंगी पैसों के लिए, you know. So that's the thing, that sometimes some great project can come your way. It may not even have money in it, but if you believe in it, that's what's important. So I don't think I've left anything in life for money. I know a lot of people, like she said, who've left a lot for money.
अगर आप ट्रेलर देखेंगे तो जब मेरी एंट्री हुई है, जो गेट खोला है मेरे घर का वो मैरियट से भी बड़ा था. तो मेरे को पैसों के लिए किसी को छोड़ने की जरूरत है ही नहीं, मेरे पास बहुत पैसे हैं.
Are we talking just about the trailer?
Yeah. According to the trailer.
According to the trailer, तो मैं पैसे के लिए अपने बाप को बेच दूँ. सही में. But रियल लाइफ में नहीं.
क्रिस्टल एंड अनुष्का जी में से किसे छोड़ना चाहेंगे आप?
Who do you leave between us?
उसके पास बिल्कुल पैसा नहीं है.
बट वो खूबसूरत बहुत हैं.
हाँ?
बट वो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है.
I didn't get you. Come again?
खूबसूरत कौन है?
मैं हूँ यार. एक
I love your answer.
Hi Crystal, Faizan this side from News Helpline.
Yes.
क्रिस्टल, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, काफी इमोशनल कैरेक्टर देखने को मिल रहे हैं हमें, जिस तरीके से हमने ट्रेलर में देखा है कि एक लड़की जो है मतलब वो गरीब है, फिर वो पैसे के लिए फिर मतलब सबसे मिलती है, तो कितना इमोशनल जी आपके लिए था पर्सनली, एंड आप कितना इससे जुड़ गई थी इस कैरेक्टर से, क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस पर आप?
The characters of a gold digger and बहुत स्ट्रगल होती है एक इंसान के लाइफ में जब उनको पता है कि उनको रिच होना और कैसे भी होना है. सो यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ चॉइसेस इन लाइफ कि हाउ फार कैन यू गो for getting rich. Can you give up your love? Can you give up your family? Can you give up your friends? तो मुझे ये it's a full struggle of a girl who is at a point with her best friend, and will she give up her best friend for money? So it's my journey from a gold digger to a gold digger, and I honestly feel that बहुत emotional roller coaster है, but it's a fun emotional roller coaster. तो बहुत सारा friendship दिखेगा आपको, बहुत सारा प्यार दिखेगा आपको, बहुत सारा टकरार दिखेगा आपको. So I think it's a full package of emotions, fun and excitement.
हाय एकता, हाय. फितरत के लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई. काफ़ी ज़बरदस्त यूनिक ट्रेलर नज़र आ रहा है. अगर टाइटल की बात करें, सब टाइटल में एक लाइन है, आई एम ऑन हीरो. आपकी लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा हीरो कौन है आपकी लाइफ में?
मेरी लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा हीरो मेरी माँ है, और उसके बाद मेरे पिताजी. बट या दैट्स माई लाइफ. आई ऑल्सो वांट टू ऐड समथिंग हियर कि फितरत एक बहुत बड़ा वर्ड होता है, इट्स बेसिकली आपका नेचर. बहुत कम लोग अपने आप को गोल्ड डिगर बुलाने में शर्म नहीं मानते. ये लोग एक्चुअली सच्चे होते हैं. ऐसे बहुत कमीने लोग होते हैं दुनिया में जो दिखाते कि बहुत अच्छे हैं पर होते अच्छे नहीं हैं. तो दैट इज़ वन वेरी which I think is the uniqueness of this character. She says कि मेरी फितरत लोग जानते हैं, and I have no shame in it. I'm everything but I'm a liar.
Anybody? Any more questions?
Hello. Hi. My question is to Kitu. The music was amazing in the trailer. I just wanted to know कि web series में comeback करने के बाद how entertaining was for you to create this music? Hello.
Is the question for the music director? She's not
You are coming back with the web series. So how was the comeback in the web series? How entertaining was web series for you?
To be a part of a web series, I guess.
Kitu.
Well, it's not my comeback in a web series. I've done 3 already. But this was a really, what I liked about it, even though my part is very small, it is very bold, very fun, and quite a bit path-breaking. So it's fun to be part of a project like this, and I really hope that, the audience understands the message, because there's definitely a message in this.
Hi, Ekta ma'am. How are you? Hi. Yeah, so firstly, congratulations for the trailer, and the music is really nice. What was the thought behind this?
So actually, I wanted to make a film many years ago on this story. In fact, nobody knows this, but actually, I don't know if it's right or wrong, but it was one of my big professional regrets. Because I had this script and I wanted to make a film out of this, I actually had said no to Queen, which I had developed. Because I had liked this script that much, and I was like, I can't do 2 films on the similar space. But this film didn't happen, and then I had the script with me and I was like, we have to make this. And as time passed, I realized it became more and more relevant. So it had to have music because it's a show which actually celebrates the joie de vivre of this girl and what she thinks a good life means. So that can only come with music, with glamour, with glitz, that later on starts hurting the eyes, of course. But you gotta see it first. You have to be a part of it. You have to go through it to grow through it,
That's the last
बॉस लाइफ में एक चीज मैंने सीखी है. मैंने 100 करोड़ की फिल्म बनाई है जिसने 20 करोड़ का बिजनेस किया है, और रिसेंटली 20 करोड़ की फिल्म बनाई है जिसने मोर देन 100 करोड़ का बिजनेस किया है. सो ये जो 3 है ना, इन्होंने इतनी मेहनत की है, बाकी सपोर्टिंग कास्ट ने इतनी मेहनत की है. इस प्रोड्यूसर ने आई मीन आई कैन अफोर्ड व्हाट बिग इंटरनेशनल एप्स कैन अफोर्ड. एट द लोएस्ट कॉस्ट पॉसिबल, द बेस्ट पॉसिबल ग्लैमर दिया है, और वो डायरेक्टर ने इतने कम शिफ्ट्स में इतना अच्छा काम किया है. सो हम अपने प्लेटफॉर्म में आपको मूवी एक्सपीरियंस देंगे एट द बजट ऑफ अ डिजिटल शो.
Hello. I think that sums up. Thank you so much. We'll do a quick photo up. And hero की बात चल रही थी एकता मैम.